कर्नाटक इस वक्त कोरोना की महामारी से दो चार हो रहा है और ऐसे में हमारे साथ बात करने के लिए सीधे कांग्रेस कर्नाटक अध्यक्ष डीके शिव कुमार हैं। पहला सवाल सर आपसे ही, अपने राज्य को इस वक्त आप कैसे देखते हैं? कोरोना से कैसे लड़ रहा है आपका राज्य?
Karnataka is in a very pathetic situation. I'm very sorry, ashamed to tell that it is a place, a destination with a lot of hopes, a vibrant knowledge city, medical city, IT capital. Now it has become the corona capital. We all are ashamed to tell this. This has happened because everything was in our hand. We could have controlled ourselves, we could have managed ourselves, but we could not do. Our governments are responsible for this. Either the national government and the state government, all of us are responsible who are running the administration. But anyway, still, we have to see that our lives, the people's lives will have to be saved. So we all have to work together.
You people came up with a plan कि 100 crore जो हैं वो आप लोग वैक्सीन के लिए देंगे and you have also requested to the government of India कि ये परमिशन दी जाए, बट एक मैकेनिज्म के तहत सब कुछ चल रहा है। गवर्नमेंट इंडिया जो है वो अगर इस तरह से सभी को परमिशन देने लगेगी तो डू यू थिंक ये ठीक होगा?
See, on vaccination, it is the duty of the central government to give vaccination to everyone free of cost. They have already said that the private hospital will have to buy this and give at one price. State government will give for 18 to 45. The date was been fixed. All it is a publicity issue, trying to take a political mileage out of this. There is no politics in this type of issues. So we all decided that we have our MP funds. I think more than 5-6 crore MP fund has been given to every MP. More than 2 crores has been given to MLAs. A circular has been issued that you can use 50 lakh rupees for COVID-related activities. So we all said, why let us stop the development? Development is not on the agenda. We can have roads, we can have buildings later. Let us first save the lives. So we decided every crore an MLA will contribute from the MLA development fund and some little money of our party cares will do it. So total 100 crores package. We said that if they permit us, we will buy vaccine. We have a lot of public utility institutions, community halls and all. We can use various medical colleges. Karnataka is a hub of medical colleges, nursing colleges. We have more than 600, 700 nursing and paramedical colleges. We can make use of them, create a center, and we can do a good vaccination job. Parallelly we can do, and we can help those the government could not take it up. We can help those people.
Sir, as you said that your party is trying hard to help the people and we have seen किस तरह से श्रीनिवास भी वहाँ दिल्ली में लोगों की मदद कर रहे हैं, बट क्राइम ब्रांच ने उनसे भी पूछताछ की है, इसको आप कैसे देखते हैं?
No, see, Srinivas is a young leader, the national leader. He's not a state leader. He doesn't have any big political power. He is doing a great human services. One should appreciate. Without any political power, he is trying to do, and he is the head of our nation. In BJP, we might have some MP may be the wing. So ultimately, he has failed. But they are very jealous. Even the embassies of various in this country have asked for help, and he is trying to help. So they want the publicity what media is giving, the appreciation what the international media is giving, that this existing government could not digest that. So they are trying to create a hallagula on him, create a case on him, trying to find fault in him. But we don't mind for it. We are all used to this type of activities. The entire party, the entire nation youth will stand by him. We know him, we know his sincerity, we know his loyalty, we know his hard work. So whatever we condemn the action taken by the Delhi police and the central government, they should have not done. It is very wrong, but still we stand by him. Let him continue his work. We will support him.
Sir, you are saying that government is jealous of him, and Delhi crime branch went there, questioned him, but it was High Court's order.
No, maybe the High Court order might have been, but we have to go to the detail on that issue. High Court order has not to ask to use any criminality, that they would have given him a notice to answer it, all of them. You need not have go to the office and ask for an inquiry. If such is the case, you should have issued him a notice. You would have replied it.
सर आखिर में आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, आपके शहर में बेंगलोर में हम देख रहे हैं किस हिसाब से बीबीएमपी काम कर रही है, दिन रात लोगों की मदद करने में लगी है, और ऐसे में तेजस्वी सूर्या ने एक तरह से हम कहें तो एक अलग कंट्रोवर्सी खड़ी कर दी है। इस पूरे मामले को आप कैसे देखते हैं, क्योंकि एक तरफ काम करने की कोशिश की जा रही है, एक तरफ नेता जो है वो अलग तरह से इसको रंग देने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। व्हाट आर योर टेक ऑन दिस?
See, Mr. Tejasvi Surya is a man of publicity. There is a difference between him and the chief minister, his group and the chief minister. They want to remove the chief minister. I was told so. He was only telling that the government is not doing a good job, and he has found out a scandal of where the bed blocking scam is going on. So he projected himself that he has done a good job. We also thought he might have done a good job. But then we came to know that his own group has been doing a job, and even in the last year, they have done the same job, and again they are continuing. So it is their internal problem, and with that they try to politicalize the issue. They try to communalize the issue. So we had to put our foot down, and we had to protect the minorities. Whenever there is a problem, they want to deviate the things. There was a 24 patient death without the oxygen. That also has been already proved. They want to divert the situation. So he has come out with that plan, and completely has been failed in it.
So do you think he took those names intentionally, and as of now he did not tell that from where he got that list? वो लिस्ट कहाँ से आई, कैसे आई? प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में भी लगातार जर्नलिस्ट उनसे पूछ रहे हैं, बट वो लिस्ट कहाँ से मिली अभी तक इसका जवाब नहीं दे पाए।
No, he has already said that the list was been given by the officer. It is not the officer, it is one party cadres who has given, and he just separated the list. There are 200 odd members, and about only 17 of them were minorities. In order to create jealous and create confusion among the minorities, he has done this job. He is a very big black spot in the history of Karnataka politics.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमसे बात करने के लिए। तो आपने देखा साफ तौर पर डीके शिव कुमार जो कि बात कर रहे थे राज्य में कोरोना की परिस्थिति क्या है, किस तरह से राजनीतिक दल अपनी अपनी ओर से इस महामारी में भी राजनीति कर रहे हैं, और कुल मिलाकर स्थिति भयावह है। इससे कैसे निपटा जाए इसकी तैयारी शुरू है। बेंगलोर से कैमरा पर्सन सुभाषीष दाम के साथ शिवांगी ठाकुर, TV9 भारतवर्ष।